Now 16th one. 12 defective pens are accidentally mixed with 132 good ones. It is not possible to just look at a pen and tell whether or not it is defective. One pen is taken out at random from the slot. Determine the probability that the pen taken out is a good one. Okay. Now it is given 12 defective pens are accidentally mixed with 132. So total pens will be equal to 132 plus 12, that is 144. Now one is taken out. That determine the probability that pen taken out is a good one. So how many good pens are there? Probability of good pens will be equal to 132 divided by 144. Okay, good pens are 132. So 132 by total number. Okay. Now 17th one. A lot of 20 bulbs contains 4 defective ones. One bulb is taken out at random from the lot. What is the probability that the bulb was defective? So probability of defective bulb will be equal to how many defective bulbs are there? 4 out of 20. Total is 20. Now the second problem is, suppose the bulb drawn is not defective and is not replaced. Now one bulb is drawn from the rest. Okay, what is the probability that the bulb drawn is not defective? Now it was 20. From that one bulb you take and keep it aside. That bulb taken out was good. Okay, now then you are not keeping back that one. Okay, so how many bulbs will be there total? Now 19 bulbs will be there, and among this 19, 4 are defective, that is good ones will be 15. Good ones will be 15. Okay, now your question is probability of getting a good bulb, that is not defective. So how many are there? 15 by 19. Now 18th question. A box contains 90 discs which are numbered from 1 to 90. If one disc is drawn at random from the box, find the probability that it bears a 2-digit number and a number, a perfect square, and a number divisible by 5. So there are discs marked as 1, 2, 3 up to 90. Okay, so total 90 discs are there. Then a probability of getting a 2-digit number. A 2-digit number, how will you get? 2 digits starts from 10, 11, 12, like that up to 90. That means how many will be there? 81 numbers will be there. 10 to 90, 81 numbers are there. Okay, divided by 90. You can cut the common thing, 9. So 9 by 10 you will get. Okay, now the second one is a perfect square. A perfect square. So how many perfect squares are there? So 1, then 4, then 9, 25, 36, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, then 81. So 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square 9, then 4 square 16, 5 square 6 square, 7 square 8 square and 9 square. So how many perfect squares are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So 9 by 90. Again it is 1 by 10. Okay. Now a number divisible by 5. Probability of a number divisible by 5. Okay. So which are the numbers divisible by 5 from 1 to 90? That is first one 5, then 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85 and 90. So now look at how many numbers are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So 18 by 90. 18 by 90 means how much it will come? 1 by 5. Okay. Now nineteenth question. A child has a die whose 6 faces are as shown the letters A, B, C, D, E, A. The die is thrown once. What is the probability of getting A and D? Okay. So instead of numbers, here are alphabets. So here 5 alphabets are written there. Now A comes 2 times. Okay. Now the probability of getting A will be, how many A's are there? 2 A's are there. So 2 by 6. Okay. Total outcomes are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 2 by 6. Now probability of getting D. Probability of getting D will be equal to, how many D are there? Only 1. So 1 by 6. Now 20th one. Suppose you drop a die at random on the rectangular region shown in the figure 15.6. What is the probability that it will land inside the circle with diameter 1 meter? Now look at that one. A figure is given, a rectangle, and in between a circle is given there. Rectangle length is 3 meter, breadth is equal to 2 meter, and the circle's diameter is 1 meter. So here you want to throw a die and it should come in the circle. Okay. So the probability of that die should come in the circle is, circle's area is this much only. The whole area is this much. That means the area of circle divided by the area of rectangle. So probability of die land on circle, that will be equal to area of circle divided by area rectangle. So here diameter is 1 meter. So radius will be 0.5 meter you can take, or 50 centimeter you can take. So area will be pi r square by L into B. That is pi, let me take that as 50 centimeter, then converting Here also in centimeter. So 300 into 200. So it is for better calculation. Now 60. Again it will be 12. So pi by 24 you will get. Okay. Now 21. A lot consists of 144 ball pens, of which 20 are defective and others are good. Noori will buy a pen if it is good, but will not buy if it is defective. The shopkeeper draws one pen at random and gives it to her. What is the probability that she will buy it and she will not buy it? So it is given 144 ball pens are there. Total 144 ball pens are there. Among that one 20 are defective. That means remaining 122 are good ones. 124 are good ones. Now that first one, Noori will buy the pen if it is good. Okay. Now the probability that she will buy it. Okay. Probability that she will buy it. Okay. So she will buy only the good ones. So good ones are 124 by 144 total number. And second one is probability that she will not buy. She will not buy if it is defective ones. So that is 20 by 144. Okay. Now 22. That is examples it is given. Complete the following table. Now it is given a event of sum of 2 dice. So when 2 dice are thrown, there are 36 probability that we have discussed in one example. Okay, in that one 2 will come, sum of the numbers, that will be 2. See here, these are the 36 probabilities you will get. Example 13, you see, when 2 dice are thrown, 1 1, 1 2, 1 3 like 1 6, then 2 1, 2 3 like 2 6, then up to 6 6. So 36 probabilities are there. So sum of the numbers, addition will be 2 in one case only. Addition will be 3 in 1 plus 2 and 2 plus 1, that is 2 by 36. In 4, how will it will come? 1 plus 3, 3 plus 1, then 2 plus 2, that is 3 by 36. 5 where it will come? 1 plus 4, that is 5. Then 2 plus 3 is 5. Then 3 plus 2 is 5. Then 4 plus 1 is also 5. So like that you have to complete that table. Okay, understood? Now after completing the table, what they ask, the question is, a student argues that there are 11 possibilities which are there, that is numbers from 2 to 11 are there. So if and each of the numbers occurring probability is 1 by 11. So do you agree with that one or not? That is your question. So actually it is not 11 possibilities. When you are throwing a die, we are getting 36, and numbers 2 will come 1 by 36, this one only. Okay, this one is wrong because it is not equally likely. Okay, now 23, A game consists of tossing 1 rupee coin 3 times and noting its outcome each time. Hanif wins if all the tosses given gives the same result, that is 3 heads or 3 tails, and loses otherwise. Calculate the probability that Hanif will lose the game. Now 3 coins are there, 1 coin 3 times, that means 1 coin, so all the 3 times head can come, all the 3 times tail can come, or head 2 times and tail 1 time, like this also. Then now one more head, then H T H H H T T, then T H H. Now see 8 possibilities are there. So among that one it is given that Hanif will win if all the heads comes or tails comes, that only 2, other ones are 6. So you have to find out probability that Hanif will lose the game. So probability of Hanif losing game will be remaining 6 by 8, that is 3 by 4. Okay, so total 8 are there. Among that one 2 are all head and all tail, so remaining 6 are not that one, so 6 by 8 you will get. Now second 24th one, a die is thrown twice. What is the probability that 5 will not come either time? 5 will come at least once. Okay, throwing a die, so 5 will not come either time, that is when we are throwing a die, we know that these 36 possibilities are there. Okay, 36 possibilities are there. 5 will not come either times, that is in first or second number as 5 should not come. So how many numbers are there where there is 5 is not there? That is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20, avoiding this one, 21 22 23 24 25 26, so 26 anyway, 25th. Okay, so this one 5 contains that one, so 25 by 36. So the probability of 5 will not come either time. So 25 are there, so 25, so probability that 5 will not come up, that is 25 by 36. The second one is 5 will come up, so probability that 5 will come up will be 1 minus 25 by 36. If you are taking, that is enough, or you count that also, same thing it will come, that is 11 by 36. Okay, 11 by 36. Now 25th question, which of the following arguments are correct and which are not? Give reason. So if two coins are tossed simultaneously, there are three possible outcomes: two heads, two tails, one of each. Therefore, each of these outcomes has the probability 1 by 3. That is wrong. So that is not possible. Two tails. So when two coins are tossed, there are other possibilities also. So equally likely events are not there here. So that is not possible. Then if a die is thrown, there are two possible outcomes: an odd number or an even number. Therefore the probability of getting an odd number is 1 by 2. Okay. So when a die is thrown, we know that 1 to 6 numbers will be there. Among that one, 3 numbers are odd and 3 numbers are even. So the probability of getting an odd number is 3 by 6, that is equal to 1 by 2, and probability of getting an even number is also 3 by 6, that is equal to 1 by 2. So that statement is true. So we have completed that chapter. So do that in your notebook, then send. Okay.